Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets truth. Imagine a lipstick that doesn't just sit pretty on your lips, but also cares for them, like skincare. That's exactly the promise behind the Estée Lauder Pure Color Explicit Long-Lasting Slick Shine Slim Lipstick. This one's in the shade 903 Wrong Number, a soft peach with warm undertones that's meant to flatter a wide range of skin tones, while delivering a high shine finish. This lipstick comes in a slim, elegant case, perfect for slipping into even the tiniest clutch. The formula is designed to be plumping and hydrating, combining color payoff with lip care. Estée Lauder markets it as long-lasting, which is always a bold claim for a shine-based lipstick, since glossy textures often fade faster than mattes. When I tested this shade, the first thing I noticed was the texture. It glides on effortlessly, almost like a balm. It feels weightless, which makes it easy to reapply without that heavy waxy buildup some lipsticks can create. The peachy tone has just the right amount of warmth to brighten up the face without leaning too orange. On my lips, it looked fresh and understated, perfect for daytime wear or pairing with a smoky eye at night. Now, about the longevity. While it's marketed as long-lasting, it doesn't survive a meal. After a coffee and a light lunch, I definitely needed a touch-up. That said, it fades evenly, leaving behind a soft tint rather than patchiness, which is a big plus. Hydration-wise, it kept my lips feeling comfortable, not tight or dry, even after hours of wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the texture is luxurious, the finish is high shine without being sticky, and the hydration claim holds true. The slim packaging is also sleek and practical. On the downside, the longevity doesn't fully live up to the long-lasting promise, and if you're looking for bold pigmentation, this particular shade is more on the sheer to buildable side. In terms of value for money, Estée Lauder is positioned as a premium brand, and you do pay for the name and the packaging experience as much as the formula. Compared to drugstore glossy lipsticks, this one definitely feels more refined and nourishing. But if staying power is your top priority, there are matte or satin finishes at a similar price point that may give you more wear time. The build quality is what you'd expect from Estée Lauder. Solid, weighty packaging that doesn't feel flimsy. The slim bullet also allows for precise application, even without a lip liner. If you're someone who loves a glossy finish with skincare benefits built in, this is a lovely option. It's not the product for those who want all-day wear without reapplication, but it excels at comfort and sophistication. The shade 903 Wrong Number in particular is a versatile peach that adds a healthy brightness without overpowering the rest of your look. If you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And don't forget, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for watching Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.